Hey everyone, this is Frugal Panda here with a quick review of the SHIELDPRO Cordless Electric Ratchet Wrench Kit. This is a pretty cool tool I got right off of Amazon. I've been meaning to get an electric ratchet for probably a decade or more. Finally, I broke down when I got this old '88 Suburban I'm working on, and I was like, man, I need to cut down the time I'm working on this with simple things like just getting an electric ratchet and stuff like that. This came well packaged, of course. It's from Amazon. It probably took a day or two to get here. It did not take that long. Well packaged. Came with its own little carrying case. I appreciate those. I really do. It didn't feel like it weighed much, but it didn't feel it. When I say it didn't weigh much, it didn't feel like it weighed. It was probably like, I believe they said 5 pounds is what the actual ratchet itself weighs. So, and then it has the case, and then it has the different adapters and stuff like that, extensions. It comes with a 1/4 adapter too with an extension bar. It came with 2 batteries, which I really do appreciate having 2 batteries. And it came with the charger, the ratchet itself. Yeah, it was well packaged. And one thing I would recommend though when you get these rechargeables, and I tell everybody this, besides my electric CUV, I do not leave, because I live in Colorado and we can get extremes in temperature. I do not leave my rechargeable tools outside. I just don't. Like in the elements, it's hard on the batteries. So that's just a word to the wise for everybody on that. So as you can see, there's the charging dock where you pop one in. It says that it can charge a battery fully in 1 hour. If that's true, really cool. I haven't ran it down yet, and by the time this video came out, I've used this for probably about a month now. So I've gotten a lot of use out of this now, and I really do appreciate it. Now you see they just pop in the bottom, just like that. It has a little LED light built in, just like, a lot of rechargeable drills and everything like that. They have those too. I do appreciate those little lights. There's your extension bar right there. We'll just pop on, one of our ratchet. There you go. Looks good. So I really like that it did come with all those. That's really nice to have all those available. And then it has empty slots, so you can add your own in there too, which I appreciate. So depending on what vehicle I'm taking, I can put ones that I know exactly fit there, so I have enough of them. Like I said, it feels good. I was like, why did I wait so long to pick one of these up? So I just wanted you to hear it real quick and what it sounds like. Yeah, it sounds like a ratchet, to be honest with you. It's bi-directional, just like a ratchet would be. So you can have the button at the top and stuff to switch it in reverse or make it go forward, all that stuff. One thing I would do with these, I'll leave a link in the description for the Amazon, the Amazon link in the description. One thing I would do with these, I always break the lug nuts. I always break the nut first. Before even using one of these. So just loosen it first, just break it, and then put it on there and get it out fast. You can see me using it right there. Anyway, I really like it. I'll leave a link. I'm probably buying another one just to have in my camper because I like it so much. This is Frugal Panda. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good day. Goodbye.